Ana ya wuzir finance and investment.
Ana ka wuzir maliya banga wo jela longa razi.
It's good that I come to meet with you today.
Apia the reda chan ya ben yo wana weg ne kola.
Lano because what you are doing
chan ka loy ka
investment.
le ke luoi ke e ke piete ke tong jwe bai nial
which fall under my ministry.
ku ka to bang de maktam de
What I can tell you is that you continue with this business. We will call for support from other organizations, the non-governmental organizations, to come and support you people.
ay le luoi ke lon duon luoi ke kene tajir duon luoi ke ku obo koy kok wene koy koñ koy wene koy koñ abu ke chol long munazam bigo wek ben koñ
The government and the governor will also have something, a support to you.
alo la kuma mu bany yene governor dina jok chagor alo ga benen ke be gwiri abu we koñ luoi
In Central Equatoria, wilaya vita Bahar Equatorian, Central Equatoria and Eastern Equatoria and Western Equatoria, people like you are making business.
alo le pin de Equatoria long de kadang kapoita kujia juba kujia yambio ko chirwek alo tijaria chirke luoi ke
But they organize themselves.
Ke gairo juir
under one cooperative group.
ke gairo juir ku loy ka kunum tok
You can have one cooperative group with this color. Green you have.
Alo
Name you have here.
alo le we gwelo baka kunum tok alo baka matic chimane yalan chenke jarin kun cha ke cha
Or
alo ga le be gor be gar pin achan be to ke kwon akut won che mat be ya mioj be ya koñ
when you complete registering it, then the people you organize to run that organization will also come to my ministry with the support from the government here. We will find means to seek some support from donors.
elo le na cha guir ku cha gar pin ko ben no ngen maktam ye ko bu ben guir ku bu le twen no koy won ke koy koñ na zamat koy koñ
Jonglei is not benefiting from this farmers support from donors.
elo le koy won akut won pin no koy koñ ay chen koy ke Jonglei ye ke koñ kuna cha mat ke ka le bi we koñ ti ci we juir ku be loy ke ke gar pin bag neng
Just
bañ
simply
koñ
because of the insecurity.
alo le ke won to bay ke nong rioj
See Jonglei to benefit from this support also.
ayo ko ra chan ko Jonglei bi ga kut ken bi ga loy ku benang ke yo ke ya pin nom ti man ka ye ga gam ye
This
yen
is
wala
the small message I want to pass on to you. I welcome the governor.
lo yen ga we ti ne kar ba le we ku banya bi jal ben ban di de Jonglei we ja be le ti inde elo we chagle ja chan chag ben
Tell them that when I went and see them that day, I told them that we have to work for you.
elo ko lo ni lan we tingo ne yo an we suk ti ti cha le we on le en amen ka ba loy wo bu lui bu we loy
And what we're doing, that's why now you can see the road, you can drive all the way to Juba and bring everything you want to sell.
ay lo ka loy ke kin ka chi we ga char go tinge char e la juba man ku lo kang lo ke be ka kor ke
And now we have a good road even in Bor County where you can move around.
elo go char pia da bro loy ma ding tin man chier chier go gol to bor bi we ga ya chatin
Now we are the only first state in South Sudan that have managed to build a road within the town.
elo wo go kai ni meretok wala yat ke junub ben ke tieri ci char ci loy madina ya char dit ci lo juba
So you are the one that encouraged our government to move and do the good thing that we are doing.
elo kai we exado we kai cho wo cho ril la chan bugu ke loy ku bugu loy we bai pa ni Jonglei ai we
Last time I also told you that we want to improve and encourage our local business, not international business.
elo ko la na cha le we ku le yen wo kor bugu tijari da ko we koy won to pinyi tene ina ka kor bugu loy bugu jwa berier then ke wona lo ben ke tijari di te ben bara be ak dun yen ke dang so loy ke ci manon en channel wel
So in this town, as our local business, you are my number one priority.
ay lo le we kai nimir tuye ngatok no ngen ba we be nyal na nom chan lon loy ke kana
So what we have to do is make sure that we have good security, we have good road, and we have good business people that are working just like you.
Ay lele ka bu ke gloy, ay lele ke long rioj akor bu kong nyai, ku bu ko neng char, ku bu ko neng tijare chiri tijare duon loy ke biya ke ka konu ke gloy.
So if anybody is telling you don't do business, you come to me.
Anong rani le we do ke tijare do ke loy ke duon loy ke tin loy ke we ba ke nongen ba ke bele ni nga ke ni le we do loy.
So, as the Minister of Finance said, we have support for you. This is not only one, but we will do it time to time because we want you to grow.
Ay loy ga che kun chi ban loy le to. Bu ya loy man ku man ka jwe won bi wo ke we gi nyala bu ke ya loy we.
So also what I can tell you, if you see somebody who's talking against peace or against something, tell them this is no. What we need to do now, we just need to move and work and move forward.
Ay loy na no ran bo no we ku bu jem long door ke chi corridor ke yag le ne ga chen ke le wong nyala ke na chi wo le twen. So wo kor ku wo le twen ke door. Chan bu ka loy ke bu ke loy.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Thank you all in the name of our Almighty God. My duty will not talk. You have already spoke. I'm the chairperson, chairlady.
Nem kin wakala nem ekna jor ku yimyalu lagi ni shurin ken ku jarnya.
That actually our words that we can say it, there is nothing that we can say it because when you came and visit us in the market was really a great joy to us. Though we start carrying you up, it will not be nothing to us.
The dog watin why ka ngan pin ku wa ya ko chin ku loy ku.
Where we are in the market there, people see us like we are doing nothing. Somebody who can come to power can see us like not his people. As you came to us with a good hope and you visit us, we need you to change the roofing of our rooms where you stood last time. Our song that we always sing is that you God, our children who have lands, we bought them shoes, we bought them clothes, we bought them everything, and they become niggers. So we need you to give us a good leader to change us. We have delivered a lot. Saying that as you have come to our life today with your leadership, we need you to raise us up so that we feel like we have children. Our children have changed, they become niggers and all these things, so we don't have a benefit of them.
Na loku gob ku ke ka ku kem ku ke ku to ka tin nyan ti ja yoku war wa ka yupur wer yawtene ayuku pur jal ka dular tu ke nok jala piri ya na war jal wa tune ka yuku jan wo ka nam ti bajer wo ti di baloy ku le di ora agr ka ja la manguk ba ta du ki charo ba nyu ti pur.
He's saying that as all this time, as ladies of Jonglei, we have been suffered because of the flood. And since you came, because they used to germinate the crops in the river. But because of the floods, they did not have that.